Okay, we're ready for our next video. Remember, the riddle you are trying to solve is, why did the boy throw the butter out of the window? All right, so the next thing we're going to talk about is the timeline that you had to do about Leonardo da Vinci. Now, some of you guys, when you did your timeline, you just wrote dates, but that is not how a timeline works. So we're going to look at your paper and we're going to talk about what you were supposed to do. And if I told you you didn't put any important events, you only put dates, you needed to go back and fix that, okay? So here's what your paper looked like, and you were supposed to read this information, write down the important date, but then you needed to tell me what he did during that important date, right? So down here, it has the information plus the date, okay? So you have to put that information in order and make sure that it went the right way. A timeline is not just going to have dates. It's going to tell you what happened first, next, last, but it's going to give you the actual information that goes along with that, okay? So if you didn't have the information, if you just put the dates, that's not a true timeline. You're just giving me the dates and I have no idea, like, what does that mean? So I want you to make sure that you actually put your dates in order. Okay, the next thing that I want to talk about is the test. You had a geometry test that you were supposed to take on Mastery Connect. If you did not take your test on Mastery Connect and you need your student ID, please contact me. You can still take it. You have 7 days to take it using that test code. And I'm going to tell you, everybody did really good on the test, so I'm really happy about that. Now, if you have paper packet and you just want to do it on paper and turn it in later, you can do that too. All right, I am going to stop this video and we're going to do one more because I really want to go over the next video, some important information, because a lot of friends had trouble with the next part. So here is the next part to your answer. Why did the boy throw the butter out the window? The next part is to see. To see. All right. The last video will give you the whole answer and you'll have to put it all together and we'll talk about it during our Zoom meeting. All right, bye.